Hi everyone, this video is all about education. Before you can go out and start fixing boilers, we need to learn how to test components, whether it's the room thermostat, the diverter valve, the mid-position valve, zone valve, heat exchanger and so on, because that's really what our job entails, but in a particular sequence. And some boilers are a little bit different because they don't include maybe a plate-to-plate heat exchanger, which is into gas, of course, so that saves us a lot of trouble. And also they don't have a diverter valve, so that's a big godsend. And I love mine because it's so empty. But other boilers will have everything thrown into it, and we have to learn that sequence. And that's what we're going to cover today. Which apps you have to have, and we've got 8 of them. And then the videos that I've made. So I've made over 250 videos, would you believe? And a special thank you to all our subscribers, because I really appreciate that, and your comments as well. And we're also going to cover all the different bits and pieces that you need to learn as we go along. So let's start from the beginning. First of all, which apps are the most important ones? Well, obviously, it's going to be the gas rate and the pipe sizing are the two most important ones, because that makes a huge difference to the way the boiler performs. And I know from all the years I've been doing breakdowns that installers skimp on the gas pipe. For example, a condensing boiler has no 15mm gas pipe going to it. So as soon as I see that, I think, yeah, he's skimped on this. So we're going to have to test the rate and, of course, the pipe sizing. And that takes time. So when you download any app, always practice at home. If you've got brothers and sisters or neighbours, anybody, just say to them, I've downloaded Mr. Combi's app and I'd like to just check whether, how it works and your boiler. So obviously take a photograph of the plate that gives you all the information about that appliance, the gross gas rate and the net gas rate, etc., and so on and so on, because obviously we need to do that. And if there's a hob involved, you need to find that gas rate. And if there's a gas fire, again, we just do it all, follow the app. So practice using the app. And whether it's the pipe sizing one, again, have a look round your house, round your parents' house, your brothers and sisters, your friends and family, anybody. Just practice and practice. So when you go into somebody's house, you know how the app works. You're not fumbling, you're not phoning, you're not watching videos. That extra work you do before will make dividends. It gives people confidence. And then when you go through the door, you are confident because you've learned. And the same thing happens with videos. I've made over 250, as I said. Watch the videos, particularly the ones, find the fault in 5, how do you test a diverter valve, room thermostat wiring, and so on and so on. So I've broken down the boiler, and that's what I've been teaching for 20 years. And the app's almost as old as that. So therefore, again, watch the video, rewatch the video until you understand how to test that component in a sequence. And don't forget the 4-part electrical test. It's in the yellow book. I've made videos on it, and that is crucial to find out what goes bang. So make sure that the boiler and the customer, and of course you, are safe. You're not going to get plugged in. So you need to check if it's a 230-volt room thermostat. Has it got a neutral? Has it got an earth? If not, we're going to condemn it, and we're going to change over to a digital stat. Or better still, as we now do, every Combi boiler has RF, radio frequency, because that warms around. It increases the efficiency, which lowers the fuel bills. Another thing you need to learn is how to downrate a boiler to 60. I've been teaching this for 20 years. Flow temperatures to a Combi boiler should only be 60 degrees. It's much more efficient, it's cheaper to run, it doesn't stress the boiler as if it was going to 70 or 75. That's completely unnecessary. 60 is the flow rate. So watch my videos how to do that. And then, as I say, learn and learn and learn. So I hope you find this video interesting, and thanks very much and take care. If you want to stay sharp in this trade, you've got to train like a pro and work like a pro. Download all 8 apps and don't just own them, practice with them. Practice with your neighbours, your family, your friends. Practice makes perfect. Use them on real jobs, fault finding, calls, breakdowns, controls, wiring and combustion checks. The more you use them, the faster and more confident you become. Don't turn up empty-handed on any job. They are tools. Carry both books with you on every single job. They're not ornaments for the van or the kitchen table. They're tools. When you're stuck, tired or under pressure, these books save time and money and stress. So don't just stop there. You must keep training. Aim for at least 4 factory training courses every year. Boilers change, controls change, faults change. If your knowledge doesn't keep up, you fall behind. It's as simple as that. We owe it to ourselves and to our customers to work smarter, not harder. The best engineers aren't guessing, they're preparing. So download the apps, use them daily, carry the books on and go to training. Keep your skills to the highest level, because average engineers struggle and professional engineers are always in demand.